All Great Apparel For You clients are required to use FTP software or File Transfer Protocol software to securely transfer art files from their computer onto our remote servers. If you do not have an FTP program, or even if you do, we recommend that you download and use FileZilla shareware due to the security features and compatibility that it has with our servers. To download FileZilla, I'm going to type in filezilla-project.org/download.php into my browser's address bar. On this page, I'll select the appropriate download for my computer's operating system. Today, I'm working on a Windows PC, so I'll click on the first download. The download window will take a few seconds to pop up, and when it does, I'll click on Save File. Save File. This is a pretty quick download, and when it's complete, I'll click on the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Here I will click Run. This is a license agreement. I'll just agree with it. This is specific to my computer. This one where it says Choose Components, I usually like to click this desktop icon box. So there's an icon on my desktop. Click Next. This is where the software will be installed on my computer. And this is the file name for this new software. So I'll click Install, and I'll let it run its course. When it's all finished, I'll see this window here, and I have this clicked. I think it's done automatically. It says Start FileZilla Now. So when I click Finish, FileZilla will begin to run on my desktop. My installation is now complete, and FileZilla is running on my computer. As I mentioned earlier, FileZilla is a way to transfer files from my computer onto our remote servers. I'll begin the process of logging into our server by clicking on File and selecting Site Manager. In this window, I want to click on New Site, and I'm going to label this new site Gaffy Release.
The next step is to click into the host field and type in ftp.greatapparelforyou.com as shown, and leave the port field blank.
I'll make sure that next to Protocol, it reads FTP File Transfer Protocol. Next to Encryption, it should say Require Implicit FTP over TLS. Login type, I want to read normal, and I'm going to enter my username and password that I received in my Phase 3 email. Mine will be different than yours, so please check your Phase 3 email for that information. Now I'm all done, I'll click Connect. This unknown certificate window will generally pop up, so please press OK to complete the connection. I am now connected, and you can see that there's files over here on this right side, and on the very top the status says Directory Listing Successful. In the future, if all these steps are done correctly, you will only have needed to enter this information one time. The next time you need to connect, just simply click on this arrow in the top left-hand corner and click Gaffy Release. FileZilla is split up into 4 main quadrants. The top quadrant shows if I'm connected to a remote server. The left quadrant shows all of the files that are located on my personal computer. The right quadrant shows the files on Great Apparel For You server, and the bottom quadrant shows the status of an upload file. Now that I'm connected to our server, I'm able to navigate through my local files to the art files I want transferred. If for some reason I navigate to a wrong folder, I can always click on this folder with the 2 dots next to it to navigate back. Today I have 4 files that need transferred, and they're located in my art folder. I'm going to transfer these in 2 different ways. They're both equally simple and equally as effective, so whichever way works better for you, please use that. For the first file I want transferred, I'm going to click on it and simply drag it over into the right quadrant. You can maybe see that there's an upload status on the very bottom quadrant, and you can definitely see that the file is now located in the right quadrant, so it has been successfully transferred. For the next 3 files I want transferred, I'm going to hold down Control as I click in order to select them all. and then I will right click and click the upload line. By doing that, I've now uploaded those 3 files and they are all located on the server. When all of my art files have successfully been uploaded to our servers, I will then email my new design release spreadsheet.xlsx to the email address specified in the Phase 3 email.